Hi, I'm Emmy and welcome back to Yoga with Em. I say welcome back because I'm announcing the winner, the lucky winner of the giveaway from International Yoga Day. I hope you all had a great International Yoga Day and felt inspired to do some yoga. And remember, yoga isn't just about the asana, it's not just about the physical practice. So even if you just had a moment of conscious breathing, still counts. So now I'm going to select a name at random. So if you put something in the comments with the video, you could be in to win this. Good luck, everyone. Oh, looks like, it's Petro. Congratulations, Petro. You are the lucky winner of a relaxation eye pillow. I hope you enjoy this and I'll send this off to you in the next couple of days. Thank you for those people that did add a comment to my last video. I will be launching more videos and more competitions, so please don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all my latest.